Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. After learning Surah Inshirah or Ash-Sharah, let's summarize it. Did Allah help you? In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, Allah asks the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ if he has not made things easier for him and given him comfort. Your burden is lifted. It means Allah says that He removed the burden from the Prophet's back. This burden could mean worries, hardships, or heavy responsibilities. Raise your reputation. It means Allah raised the Prophet's mention and status among the people, so everyone respected and admired him. With hardships comes ease. It means Allah assures the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam that after every difficulty there will be relief and ease. So he should not worry because Allah will make things easier and better. Remembering Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Allah repeats the message to emphasize that with every hardship there is always ease. Alhamdulillah. Complete your duties and worship. It means after you have finished your tasks and responsibilities, turn your attention to Allah and worship Him with devotion. Desire Allah's pleasure. It means always remember to seek Allah's pleasure and guidance in everything you do.